When I think of our customers and the challenges that they face, in my mind I picture a very complicated puzzle made up of a bunch of pieces that need to fit together to work most effectively. These pieces can be different types of equipment or communication between the equipment. And again, they all have to fit together nicely to solve the problem that our customer faces every single day. And this is where energy management can really bring value to the customers, because it can solve this puzzle for them on a daily basis. This puzzle is always changing because it's affected by market forces, right? What is the price of energy going to be today, tomorrow? What is the price of fuel? What are my carbon output objectives, right? These market forces cause this puzzle to have to change every day. How am I going to use my equipment to achieve today's puzzle? So this can be a very challenging task to coordinate across an organization of people, and energy management has the ability to solve that problem very quickly and communicate it across the customer's organization so that they can be aligned on their objectives and achieve them very quickly. So whether their objective is to reduce fuel consumption or possibly to operate the equipment in a way that maximizes revenue from energy generation, this can all be incorporated into energy management and solved for. And the reason why Siemens Energy is a great choice for energy management solution is because we understand very well how the equipment works individually. We understand how the equipment needs to work together. And we also have experience with the markets that our customers operate in. So bringing all this together really allows us to solve our customers' problems and help them run more efficiently.